Oh yeah, the color looks so much better on this. What's up, guys? We have some great weather right now. It's like 55 degrees outside. So before I go into work tonight, we're gonna get ready to do the carpet on this car. We're gonna pull the seats out, put all the anything that goes in the car is gonna go on this table, besides the seats, because you know, small table. But Labor Day weekend happened. Anniversary happened yesterday. It's been a pretty busy week. Best Buy had a sale on GoPros. So I went and bought the GoPro Hero 8. We're gonna see how it does. This is going to be in 1440 because not everyone uses 4K. So most phones nowadays will be 1440. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna see how it is. I can already tell like on the screen that the lighting isn't terrible. I think the next video I'm gonna mount my 5 to it and do like a comparison of what the difference is and swap audios and such. But today we're gonna just fiddle with the car. Update, last night I got my email. My struts have finally shipped after 2 weeks. Yay, so hopefully that'll be here soon. But yeah, we're gonna get this sucker taken apart. Not really much to take apart. I think it's just the seats. All these little plastic clips. We have the clip box for that. I need to contact them about a radio. I'm really hoping they want to do something fancy, like a CarPlay doubled in. I don't know if they're iPhone or Apple. I mean, I can get an Android Play too, but I'd really like to somewhat mod this little spot for a USB to where they can plug in their phone and use Apple Play or CarPlay, whatever kind of play they want to use. Some nice speakers. I think it's just those 2 front ones. I don't think there's any in the rear. I could be wrong. But we're trying to make it like nice and clean up for them. I'll be going to the junkyard after all the rain dries. So I'm going to try to find me a dash too. Or dash cover. Just in case I can't find one. We have this one still. And I'm going to modify it. You can tell where the clips like snapped. Just from being old, I guess. Oh. Well, you can tell that it's destroyed. Yep. So this is a result of the tarp being ripped and the sun being on it non-stop. It cracked. I mean, I barely just used that finger, so yep. I'm gonna have to go find him another one. Another big deal. Especially with the Miata Reddit page. I'll probably get one pretty cheap, but that sucks, first of all, that it broke in my hand doing absolutely nothing. But that's usually how my luck goes, I feel like. So the goal is now to touch all the other plastic, which is a lot stronger, thank God, flexible. We're gonna clean it up and get her going. But yeah, this will be the first video with the Hero 8 Black. I'm excited. I was gonna get a 7. They were like $335, and I guess GoPro was doing a sale where these are only $299. So I mean, of course, you don't go to iPhone or you don't go to Apple looking for an iPhone 7, and then they go, "Hey, we have an iPhone 11, $100 off." You just get the iPhone 11 with $100 off. This, here's my 10 mil that I've been looking for. I'm trying to like clean up this area right here just to be like a little, instead of having to reach in my shelves all the time, all my parts will just be right, or my tools will be right here. You can tell I just saved that one. I'm excited though. I just can't get over the color really on the screen. I don't know how to look in the computer like without any editing or anything, but the color, it just pops. I like it. I like how well it is. We're also going to be doing the Dynamat with sound deadener. Now that I know everything's running good, ow, that hurt. Just put that under my fingernail. Ow, that really hurt. Now that we got it all figured out, we're gonna put everything back together, put some Dynamat on here. Casey and I took this tarp off a while ago and cleaned it up. Now we're gonna clean this up, get her done, and yeah, I mean, the weather is nice. I'm wearing a hoodie right now, which is pretty dope because I'm a hoodie kind of guy. So this is definitely going to increase the mojo of wanting to work out here right now. Flip-flops, track pants, and a hoodie. I mean, what can you go wrong, you know? Manual car, manual book. It's a good day. It's a real good day. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this out. I'm gonna put you on a tripod somewhere, probably over there. And actually, I could probably put you on the car. No, I don't want it to shake. Actually, let's test that. Let's see how well the stabilization and stuff will work, because it's on stands right now. It's not loose. Yeah, isn't this like crazy though? Like, that's the gas tank down there. That's just how the car is. It's like a plate. I always thought that was just weird, but I'm gonna put some metal tape. I have some. I'm basically gonna seal this thing up like no other. I mean, it's probably overkill, but there it is. It's probably overkill, but I want it to be done as well as possible, even if it's better than OEM. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm enjoying this. I keep looking at the screen right now, like in the dark. Like, this is pretty dark in my room right now, or not my room, my garage, and it just looks pretty good. Pretty good. Speaking of that, you can tell, I think it's time for some lights in here too, especially with wintertime coming. Probably gonna redo all these and mount them like table areas and such. And then because they make a 12-foot one of these. This is a 6-foot. They make like 5 12s. I'll just bam, 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 and run it down. But we're also going to be painting the roof and stuff again anyways. But I'm excited. A lot of stuff's coming this year. It's the end of 2020, but we're going off with a bang. I can't wait. But all right, it's time. Enough chit-chat. Let's get as much done on this car as we can before I go to work. That's the goal. The goal is to get everything ripped out and then test fitting the carpet, which I think that's one of those pieces I was looking for too. All right, showtime. All right, it is dusty. This carpet is going to, I thought it was only going to be a one-part video, honestly, but as you can tell, I had to cut down the middle. This is the main piece of carpet. And for some stupid odd reason, it is mounted all the way under the hump of the tombstone. And upon further watching it, you got to pull the whole dash out to get to this part right here. So I'm not going to mess with that part yet. I just cut it out just to clean and put the Dynamat down, which I'll probably do off camera. It's literally just sticking on insulated stuff. I'll probably keep the insulation here. This looks fine. All the insulation that look good, like the back panel piece on the other carpet, I'll glue to the new one. But I'm still going to put paneling here before that. But yeah, we're going to have to pull the dash out. If you want to take a tombstone out, which is a pain in the butt, it is literally, you have to pop out your AC vents with like a flathead. They pop out, and then you'll see there's 2 little screw holes right there in that stupid piece of panel to get that out. That was dumb. But I got to get this piece moved, but it's blended in with everything on the dash. I don't think there's an easier way to do it than pulling the dash out. So I'm gonna go get all the figuring out on that, take the battery off, unplug all the airbags, and we'll get to it. But yeah, this will be the first part of the video of the Miata build for carpet. I'm not much of an upholstery guy. I hate doing this stuff. Only because I'm super OCD, and if I see a bubble in the carpet, I'm going to freak out. And when I did that the first time, I cut the center out, and it bubbled everywhere. So I'm not doing that for this one. We're going to do it the right way. It's just getting it figured out. That's the tough part. But yeah, we're going to get there. I may have to have like somebody over here, like my wife or someone to help me two-man it out. Or if I can loosen everything up, keep it on the steering column, I may, like, I don't know, bring the cherry picker over here and cherry pick the steering wheel up high, just enough to get the carpet under here, and then lower everything back down, and then go from there. But this is the first part of it, which, not a big deal, really. We did a pretty good job. All these plastic clips, the first time were a pain in the butt, but literally a $20 clip kit from Amazon, and this tool tore everything apart like it was nothing. And we got all brand new, any kind of piece we can use, any kind of style for the new carpet. But yeah, it's looking clean. It's a very clean body though. I'm very happy about that. The driver's side dynamat is obviously worn out, so we're going to redo all it. And the passenger side looks good, but we're still going to put some dynamite under that and then try to get it a little bit quieter than normal. And I think this model was the only one with the speakers on the driver's side, which I don't know if they're ruined or not because of the tarp being open. But I'm very impressed to see that there's no like moisture spots or anything. Like the good thing they painted it well, that's for sure. Because it was sitting outside for a couple of years with the tarp ripped, and it was like ripped right here, I think, and it should have just been pouring. I think that's also why the dash cover just melted in my hand, which is just sad. That's incredibly depressing. But we could find another one. I'm sure there's better ones out there too that aren't brittle. But we're getting there, guys, little by little. I'm gonna end it here. A little bit longer than my normal videos. Hopefully you guys notice the difference in quality. I mean, just looking at the car in the dark, you could tell I'm loving it. It's awesome. Even outside, it's not like blinding my camera like the other one used to, on the screen at least. I'm very curious to see how this audio works without the mic. I have a mic for it. I think it's got a front windscreen, it looks like. A couple on the sides. But I have the adapter. Ooh, we got a smudge. You got a smudge. I have the adapter for like an actual shotgun mic and such. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. No more chit chatting. If you guys are enjoying the series, smash that like. It helps. Yeah, and I'm super stoked because we're actually gonna be working on this bad boy within a week. Once that part comes in, it's getting torn up. And then I don't know if I'm going to do Holley EFI next or go get a 4. I'm probably going to go to 488. I wanted that 410 ratio. I don't like the 2.5 I have now. It's terrible on the transmission I have. The T5 that I had back in the day was really good, but it's like grandma gears now on the T56, which I think most of the T56 cars were at least 373s. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure most of them are 373s or 355s, I think is what Trans Am or Camaros are. But with those tall tires, it's not even a 254, it's like a 221. I have to get the calculator back out and do it, but it's a terrible gear ratio. I barely have a fifth, and I have a whole other gear left over, which is 6. I haven't even got to touch it on the highway yet, so I have plenty of room for improvements. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'll catch y'all later. Miata's being worked on. Prepare for it. Hoodie weather's now. Time has come. Winter is coming. It is time to get some work done. I'll catch y'all later, guys. Deuces.